Hello there. In this video, I'll guide you on how to add a DNS record on Namecheap. We'll explore a few different methods to ensure you have options in case one doesn't work for you. So let's dive right in. First, make sure you have a domain and hosting set up with Namecheap. Once you have that ready, head over to your dashboard. The first method involves navigating to the domain list. Locate the domain you wish to edit and click on Manage. Here, you'll find options like your name servers. To add or change DNS records, click on Advanced DNS. Under Host Records, you can add a new record. You'll have the option to add A records, CName, or TXT records, which are the most common. Simply enter your host IP address and the TTL, and click to save your changes. Alternatively, you can manage your DNS records through the cPanel. After accessing the cPanel from the hosting list, scroll down to the Domains section and click on Zone Editor. Here, you can add A records, CName records, and MX records by clicking Manage. This interface allows you to view and modify your DNS settings in a slightly different format, providing another convenient option. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to support the channel. Feel free to comment below if this helped you, and share it with others who might benefit from this advice. Thanks for watching.